Phonics lesson, combining S, T, M, and A. Core objective: to learn how individual letter sounds blend together to form simple English words and short sentences. Part 1. Foundational letters and blends. Practice saying the individual letter sound, then practice blending it with a short A vowel sound. Letter S makes a SSS sound. S plus A blend. Sa. Letter T makes a T sound. T plus a blend. Ta. Letter M makes a M sound. M plus a blend. Ma. Part 2. Vocabulary words practice. Repeat each vocabulary word exactly 2 times out loud to build your pronunciation muscle memory. Target blend word repetition. 1 repetition. 2 saw sat sat saw sam to tat ta tam mass small mat. Part 3. Reading simple sentences. Now, read these full sentences smoothly by combining the words you just practiced. Speaking head that Saturday. Speaking head bat Saturday. Speaking head Sam Saturday. Speaking head Sam sat at a mat. Your daily phonics step guide. Follow this structure to perfectly master this lesson before moving on to the next video. 1. Master the blends. Step 1. Spend 1 minute repeating sa, ta, and ma until your tongue transitions smoothly from the consonant to the vowel. 2. Read the words. Step 2. Read down the vocabulary chart. Focus on the ending sounds like the T in sat and the M in Sam. 3. Fluent sentences. Step 3. Read the practice sentences without pausing between words. Try to make the sentence Sam sat at a mat sound like a single, smooth thought. Direct hit teacher's note. Good job! You successfully combined letters to read real English sentences today. Keep practicing these exact sounds to build up your speed. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.